Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This week, with it coming up to Christmas, I just wanted to reflect on the past year and share with you some of the projects that I've been involved in and where I've made some money, and perhaps offer you guys some support and advice for the coming year. Now, Christmas is obviously a very expensive time for most of us, especially those of us with children. It's a time of giving, a time of celebrating, a time of love and being with our families and special people. Now, if like me, you've spent hundreds of pounds or dollars on Christmas gifts, then you probably have very little left for investing into stocks or cryptocurrency. But that's not a problem, because there are lots of good promotions and giveaways happening right now that you may be able to get involved with just by using what you already have staked, or by moving some of your positions around a little bit. Now, Crypto.com, my personal favourite exchange, as many of you probably know, are running various competitions and giveaways. In the Crypto.com app, they have a new tab called Your Year in Crypto, and it shows your highlights. This is a really great little feature, giving you an overview and reminder of how you invested your money with Crypto.com. And the best bit is that if you share it on Twitter, then you have a chance of winning $50 worth of CRO. Another great little feature is the Christmas giveaways in the VVS Finance app on the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. If we have a quick look at this article here, we can see that they're currently running a Christmas snowball event which started a couple of days ago, and they'll also be running trading battles and Discord events, etc, etc. So as well as the snowball event, we've also got further down the page, we've got these trading battles starting the 19th and running through to the 25th. We've got the meme contest, that was on the 20th actually, that one's been and gone. We've got the Kind Candor contest, which is tomorrow. Then we've also got the Secret Moles Hunts 1 and 2 on the 24th and 25th of December. And all the details here of how you can get involved with these are on this article here. So I'll leave a link to the article down below. And most of them you can get involved with just by using what you've already got invested in the farms and mines. And if not, you can always move it about within there if you've got money invested. Now, the best advice I can give you is to read through this article and see what you can get involved in. Just another reason of why I personally favour Crypto.com over other platforms. Now, Binance are also celebrating with a Christmas giveaway this year. Details can be found on their website. I'll leave a link to this page down below. They're also promoting crypto as a great Christmas gift to give to family and friends. So if you know of somebody who has always wanted to get into cryptocurrency, then this might be a great way to start them off. So this is the Binance Santa Gifts Aplenty $165,000 cashback in gift cards giveaway. So you can obviously go through the process here by clicking start here. I'm not going to go through that process because I don't have money in Binance at the moment. But all the details are down below here if you use Binance. And also we've got the some information here on the gift cards and how you can go about buying those gift cards and giving them to people for Christmas presents. So last year was pretty good for me, really. I had some really good successes with Doge and CRO. Now, if I ever invest into a meme coin like Doge, I will only ever put a small amount in. I won't go all in on Doge like some people do. So I put around about £180 into Doge earlier in the year when it was around 4 or 5 pence. A massive pump in May saw my position reach around £2,500, but now it's back down to around £650. Still, it's up around 260%, and I don't plan on selling this anytime soon. CRO has been a really good investment for me this year, along with some other holdings in the Crypto.com app and the DeFi wallet. So I've got a few coins staked in Earn on the CDC app and money staked in farms and mines on VVS. And I'm about 160% up in both of those platforms combined, so that's not bad at all. Going forward, I'm anticipating CRO to surge in price, possibly starting in the next week or so and then on into the new year. I expect VVS to follow suit, even though the price has dropped significantly over the past few weeks. Now, as I've said in the past in other videos, if you're mining or farming in the VVS platform, don't focus on the value of your investment just yet, but on the number of VVS tokens that you have. When the price does eventually go up, you will have lots more tokens at a higher value. Now, I believe that VVS is a long-term play at the moment. Something else that I've dabbled with recently is Wonderland Time, which is a DAO or decentralized autonomous organization. Now, if you've never heard of Wonderland Time, don't worry, I will be doing a video about this very soon. Now, Wonderland Time is a fork of the Olympus DAO, but instead of running on the Ethereum network, it runs on the Avalanche network, so the gas fees are very low in comparison. The current APY on the Wonderland Time app is 71,000%. Yeah, you heard that right, 71,000%. That means if you invested $100 today, in 1 year, you'd be looking at a return of $70,916. That is, of course, assuming that the APY stays exactly the same as it currently is and the price of time stays exactly the same. I invested £610 or around about $812 into Wonderland Time back in November. At that point, the price of time was around about £6,774 or roughly $9,000 per coin. So that investment gave me 0.09 time tokens. Today, the price of time has dropped to £2,928 or $3,900, but I've now accumulated 0.169282 time. My initial investment is now worth £495 or $660 because the value of time has dropped. But if the price was what it was when I invested that £610, it would now be worth approximately £1,146 or $1,528 after just 4 weeks of investing. Leaving my investment in for 1 year would see my initial investment of £610 be worth over £500,000. That's assuming, of course, that time is still at $9,000 and the APY stays at 71,000%, which in all honesty it probably won't. But I'm just going to leave this money here and see what happens. This is money that I made elsewhere, so I'm not too concerned when playing with house money. Now, I'll definitely make a tutorial video on how you can stake time in the new year. I've also done reasonably well with my stocks and shares, and my portfolio is currently up around 10%, with my biggest gains coming from Tesla, which is up over 36%, and Apple, which is up 22%. In the new year, I'll probably be looking at moving most of my individual stocks into a fund like a Vanguard S&P 500 or FTSE 100, just to save me the hassle of having to keep an eye on everything. Funds just allow you to invest and forget, which is what I really need to do right now. So overall, I'm quite happy with the way things have gone, having a total gain of around 85% across my stocks and crypto investments combined. Now, if I had a really poor year when everything was on the downside, I would still have shared this information with you, as I believe in being transparent and as honest as I can when it comes to investing. As many of you already know, and for those of you watching who don't know, I do have a financial background, having worked in commercial accounts and as a business analyst for a number of years. But I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an expert trader, and I'm not a millionaire. Well, not just yet anyway. I'm not going to tell you where you should invest your money, nor am I trying to sell you anything. I'm just a regular person wanting to be in the best financial position possible by eliminating any worries and debts, increasing my personal wealth, and being able to provide a happy, secure and comfortable life for myself and my family. Now, it's my hope that I can help you to all do the same with some simple to follow, no BS guides, walkthroughs, and my own personal experiences based on facts. I won't just share my successes and gains with you, but I'll also share any failures and losses in the hope that you don't make the same mistakes. Now, I've followed lots of YouTubers in the past and I've been very disappointed in many of them. There are just too many people out there wanting to make money off other people that they'll lie through the back teeth about what they've made and how they've made it. Have a watch of the CoffeeZilla YouTube channel to see many of these so-called self-made millionaires get exposed for what they really are, which is fakes, frauds and charlatans. These people really make me sick, and this is the reason why I wanted to make this channel. So I want to give you the best information possible and help you guys to make money, and perhaps some of you guys can also help me make some money. Since starting this channel, I've had so many people contact me to make videos for their coins or platforms, and my answer is always the same. I don't provide paid for videos on my channel. I don't want to feel obligated to make a positive video review of something that I haven't tried or that I don't truly believe in just for financial gain. Now, of course, it would be an easy way for me to make some money, but it's just not my thing. So please be assured that anything you see me put my money into in these videos on my channel is because I want to, not because I'm being paid to do so. On a side note, but somewhat related, and again for complete transparency, one of my primary sources of income is providing video presentation services. I've done this for almost 10 years now and make a big portion of my income from this, selling my services on Fiverr, People Per Hour and other freelancing websites. Now, some of these video presentations have been for other companies offering financial services. So if you do see my face pop up elsewhere, it's because I'm providing an acting service for a fee and usually using a pseudonym. The only products and platforms I genuinely use and genuinely invest in will be featured on this channel only and never anywhere else. Anyhow, that's about all I've got to say, guys. New year will see lots more content and tutorials and how-tos, so if you haven't already subscribed, then please do so. Wishing you all a great Christmas and lots of love and happiness. See you guys soon.